Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to lower vitamin B12. First, understand that consistently high B12 levels often indicate an underlying health issue, not just excess intake. It's crucial to work with a healthcare professional to identify the root cause. We'll discuss practical steps you can take, focusing on dietary adjustments and lifestyle changes, while emphasizing the importance of medical guidance throughout the process. A primary step is to adjust your diet. Vitamin B12 is predominantly found in animal products, so reducing your intake of meat, dairy, and eggs can help. Also, carefully check labels for fortified foods like certain cereals or plant-based milks, and avoid those with added B12. Crucially, if you are taking any B12 supplements, stop them unless specifically advised by your doctor. Beyond diet, review all your current medications with your doctor, as some can affect B12 levels. If you receive B12 injections for any reason, discuss whether they are still necessary. It's vital to avoid any unnecessary B12 supplementation, including injections or intravenous drips, unless medically indicated. Consistent monitoring through regular blood tests will help track your progress and ensure your levels are safely decreasing. It's essential to remember that lowering B12 should always be done under medical supervision. High B12 can be a symptom of serious conditions such as liver disease, kidney issues, or certain blood disorders. Your doctor can perform the necessary tests to diagnose any underlying causes and develop a safe, effective, and personalized treatment plan to manage your vitamin B12 levels appropriately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.